For this, you will need a bouncy ball, preferably a ball that is bouncy and ballish and smaller than the diameter of a blown-up 260 balloon. You then take your 260 balloon and try not to hurt yourself with it as you stretch it out and blow it up to almost not really all the way. About 2 fingers at the end. You then pinch and twist and pull and tie, and then take your small bouncy ball of awesomeness, push that inside the balloon. You can also use a ball putter from T. Myers. Hold that, pinch, pull, twist, and turn so that you get the ball falling inside the balloon. I soften the balloon a little bit, even though there is a little bit of extra air at the end that we can squeeze in there. And then I still squeeze that air in there so that we get our nice little soft balloon. Then we're going to find the center and we're going to pull each side so that they stay even in length here and here. By even, I mean really, really close to pretending like it. Slide one through one side, slide one through the other, and you will find that this is quite visible. OCD acting out. Amazing. Woohoo! And this is how you amuse yourself for hours upon hours, or until some child decides that he wants to steal it from you. There you go. Our amazing balloon.